Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify LinkedIn profile authenticity, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify the authenticity of a LinkedIn profile, start by checking the profile photo. Look for a professional looking, clear image rather than a generic or overly staged photo. Next, examine the profile headline. Authentic profiles usually have a meaningful headline that reflects a specific job title or industry. Scroll down to the About section and read the description. A well-written About section provides insights into the individual's professional background and skills. Check for detailed work experience listed under the Experience section. Look for specific job titles, dates of employment, and responsibilities that align with their purported expertise. Click on the Connections section to see how many connections they have. A network of meaningful connections within their industry can indicate a genuine profile. Review any endorsements and recommendations from colleagues. Authentic profiles typically have genuine testimonials from real individuals. Next, verify their educational background. Look for institutions that are well known and relevant to their career. Conduct a quick Google search of their name alongside their job title. This may reveal additional information, such as news articles or mentions that confirm their professional identity. Check for regular activity on their profile. Frequent posts, interactions, and shares demonstrate an active presence on the platform. Finally, look for an updated profile. A recently updated profile suggests that the individual is engaged and invested in their professional growth. By following these steps, you can confidently assess the authenticity of a LinkedIn profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.